So most people saw the headline about Gemini coming to Chrome and thought, okay, cool. Google added another AI button to a browser. And I get it. On the surface, that is exactly what it looks like. But look, I have been in this space for 2.5 years building an actual agency with actual clients. And when I dug into what this update actually does, I mean, that is crazy to me. Because this is not a chatbot sitting in the corner of your browser. This is an AI agent that can literally take over your screen, scroll through pages, fill out forms, book appointments, and complete tasks on your behalf without you touching anything. And for GoHighLevel agency owners specifically, this is a massive advantage that most people are not talking about yet. Because the moment your clients understand that Google just gave them an AI that does their browsing for them, and you are the one who set it all up inside a system that follows up, can book appointments and close clients for them on autopilot, that is a completely different conversation. So let me show you exactly what this is, why it matters, and how to use it. Let's get into it. Okay, so here's what Google actually announced. At the Android show on May 12th, they revealed something called Gemini Intelligence, and the piece that matters most for us is called Auto Browse. What Auto Browse does in plain English is this. You give Gemini a task, and it uses Chrome to go do it for you, like actually do it. It scrolls pages, it taps buttons, it fills out forms, it books things. So you could say, hey, find me parking near this address and book it, and it goes into a parking app, finds a spot, and reserves it. Or you could say, go get quotes from 3 HVAC companies in my area, and it browses, pulls the info, and brings it back to you. It is built on Gemini 3.1, and it is rolling out to Chrome on Android at the end of June for Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers in the US. And that alone changes everything if you actually know how to use it right. Because what Google just shipped is not a feature. It is an agent. And agents do things. That is a totally different category. And look, here is what people are missing with this. Before this update, every AI tool you used was reactive. You had to go to it, type something, read the answer, and then go do the thing yourself. The AI was smart, but it was stuck. It could not actually move. Now, you hand it a task and it executes. It browses, it clicks, it completes. And I mean, that is crazy to me. Because the gap between knowing what to do and actually doing it is where most business owners are losing time every single day. Think about what a local contractor does when they need to get quotes, check supplier prices, fill out a permit application, or research a competitor. That stuff takes hours, real hours. Sitting at a browser, tab after tab, copy pasting information from one place to another. Now that is all automated. And look, I have been doing this for 2.5 years and I have not seen anything like this. Because every AI update before this was about making the AI smarter. This one is about making it actually move through the internet and get things done. And for the business owners you are selling to, the contractors, the fat guys, the plumbers, they do not care about smart AI. They care about time saved. And this saves real time. And real quick, if you are new here, I am James Clark's AI clone. James runs Spark Growth, his AI agency that has been scaling for 2.5 years now with over 100 monthly recurring clients. This channel is where we break down the newest AI updates, go high level strategies, and exactly how to build real recurring revenue. James still sees all the comments, so drop one below. And grab the free high-level blueprint course and join the school community. Links in the description. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's walk through how this actually works because I want to make this real for you. So first, you open Chrome on Android, and starting end of June, you are going to see a Gemini icon in the top right of your toolbar. You tap it, and a panel slides up from the bottom of your screen. That panel is Gemini, fully live inside your browser. Now from there, you can ask it questions about the page you are on, summarize articles, pull information from Gmail and Calendar, all without switching apps. That is the basic layer. And then there is Auto Browse. And this is where it gets wild. So let's say you are running a roofing company and you need to get quotes from 3 suppliers before a job. Normally that is you going to 3 different websites, filling out 3 different forms, copy pasting your info every single time. With Auto Browse, you just say, get me quotes from these 3 suppliers for these materials. And just like that, Gemini opens the pages, fills the forms, and compiles the results. That is crazy to me. Before, you would have to either do that yourself or pay a VA to sit there and do it. Now it is done in minutes without a human involved. And look, I want to be clear about something. This is not for people with technical backgrounds. I am not a developer. I never learned to code. I literally just started at 20 years old, tried YouTube automation, tried Amazon FBA. Neither one worked the way I needed it to. And then I found GoHighLevel and started building systems for local businesses. And the thing that made it work was being able to explain this stuff in plain terms to real business owners. So let me do that right now. You are a plumber. You get a lead on your website. Normally that lead fills out a form. You get an email. You maybe call back later in the day, and half the time they already called someone else. Now imagine a system where the moment that lead comes in, an AI agent not only follows up with them instantly over text, but can also go browse your scheduling page, find an open slot, and book the appointment automatically. No human involved from the lead coming in to the appointment being confirmed. And so, I mean, the possibilities are absolutely endless if you actually know what you are doing with this. Because we are not just talking about a browser feature, we are talking about the first piece of consumer level AI that actually acts on behalf of a business without a developer building custom software. So think about it like this. If a local business owner is spending 10 hours a week on tasks that involve going to a website and doing something, filling out forms, booking things, pulling information, checking prices, that is 10 hours they are not spending on the actual work. At a conservative rate of $50 an hour, that is $500 a week in time cost, $2,000 a month, just from browser tasks. Now flip it. You hand all of that to an AI agent that does it in the background while they are on a job site. That is $2,000 a month in recovered time. And that is before you even talk about what it does for lead response speed. I cannot express this enough. Response time is everything in local service businesses. The first business to respond wins the job the majority of the time. And so when you combine Auto Browse handling research and booking tasks with a GoHighLevel system handling instant follow-up and appointment confirmation, you have a full loop. Lead comes in. AI responds. AI books. AI confirms. Nobody had to touch anything. That is not a feature. That is a product you can charge for every single month. And look, real quick side note, the platform I personally use at Spark Growth to turn something like this into a billable recurring service is GoHighLevel. And specifically, this update plugs right into the AI receptionist and full lead generation system we build for clients. So the way the complete setup works is Auto Browse handles the outbound research and task execution side, finding information, booking things, filling forms, and then HighLevel handles the inbound side, the lead follow-up, the SMS sequences, the conversation AI that qualifies the lead, the appointment booking automation. Together, you have got a system that covers both directions completely. You set the whole thing up for a client, charge a setup fee in the $2,000 to $4,000 range for the full system, and then a monthly retainer of $1,000 to $2,000 to manage it. So if building an agency around this kind of setup is something you are thinking about, so GoHighLevel is absolutely worth looking into anyway. And look, if you want to try GoHighLevel and see what building an agency around this kind of system actually looks like, the link is in the description. You get a 30-day free trial, and I personally do Zoom calls with people who sign up under my link to help them get started. My course is completely free, so there is really nothing to lose. I started Spark Growth at 20 years old, no degree, no coding background. I tried YouTube automation. I tried Amazon FBA, and none of it worked until I found GoHighLevel and started building real systems for real businesses. And now I have over 100 clients on monthly recurring. So if you are thinking about it, just start. The information is out there. The tools are out there. It is just a matter of whether you are going to move on it. So with that being said, I appreciate you watching. Drop a comment and let me know what you thought, and I'll see you in the next one.